Welcome to Data Points, a Mid-Hudson Regional Information Center instructional series for district data coordinators. Today on Data Points, we'll be reviewing what you need to do for ELL reporting. So what is ELL exactly? An English language learner is a student who, by foreign birth or ancestry, speaks or understands a language other than English, and who scores below a New York State designated level of proficiency on the NYSED or the NYSED. The federal Every Student Succeeds Act, or ESSA, refers to ELLs as English learners, and ELLs are also sometimes referred to as emergent bilinguals or dual language learners. All students with an ELL eligible record at any time during the school year will be included in the ELL group for accountability purposes. To clarify, this doesn't mean students eligible only before Bed's Day or only after Bed's Day or just before or after a data poll. This means that if a student had an ELL eligible record at any time in the school year, they will be included in your accountability counts for the school year. An ELL student must be reported with Program Service Code 0231, which is ELL eligible, and an ELL Program Service Code that identifies the type of services received. We'll get into what the codes are in just a minute. Students may also be reported with 1232, students with inconsistent or interrupted formal education, otherwise known as SIFE. Incidentally, the SIFE record is ended when the student achieves a performance level of transitioning on the NYSED exam, and 0242, eligible to take the NYSED as applicable. Here come those program codes I mentioned a couple of slides back. You must report one of the following program codes when reporting a student as ELL eligible. 5709, English as a new language. 5676, transitional bilingual education. 5687, one-way or two-way dual language program. 8239, ELL eligible but not in an ELL program. Here's another thing of note. Students can be in only one ELL program at a time, but may participate in more than one over the course of the school year. And you can see here the ELL codes that can be used one at a time. Take note that one record must be provided for each ELL program in which a student participated. Additionally, the record must indicate the dates of participation. LEAs must also identify the level of service at which an ELL eligible student is receiving service. This chart shows the three codes available: full, partial, and none. If a student's 0231 record is closed, the following program service codes must also be closed: 1232, which is SIFE, and 5709, which is English as a new language. Students whose ELL status has ended must be reported with one of the following reason for ending program codes, program service codes 0231, ELL eligible. 3011, ELL eligibility exit using NYSED score only. 3022, ELL eligibility exit using NYSED score and NYSTEP or Regent score. 3045, ELL eligibility exit based on review of identification determination. And this year, 3050, ELL eligibility exit using August-September 2021 NYSED score only. Thank you for watching Data Points. a Mid-Hudson Regional Informational Center, Thank you for watching Data Points, a Mid-Hudson Regional Information Center instructional series for district data coordinators. Please contact Data Warehouse at mhric.org for more information.